Hello students, in today's chapter of Statistics, class 10 Mathematics, basic concepts will be clear of mean, median, mode, cumulative frequency of less than more than type through illustrations. Being very important for CBSE, ICSE and state boards. It is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, in a class test, marks obtained by 120 students are given in the following frequency distribution. If it is given that mean is 59, then find the missing frequencies. Class interval is of 10, 0, 10, 10 to 20, up to 90 to 100. And number of students are missing frequencies of this. We have to find x and y, value of x and y. Right? Now, let's start the question. Concept applicability and solution. Arithmetic mean. For ungrouped data, summation xi upon n. That is this thing. One is a direct method. There are three methods. Direct method, that is summation fi xi upon summation fi. Summation fi equal to n method, total number of observation. One is assume method, that is a shortcut. Assume method is the calculation makes simpler. One you have to consume assume method by common sense such that deviation upper and lower should be almost minimized. And summation fi di upon summation fi. D equal to xi minus a. Deviation for assume mean. One is step deviation method. This is in case of class interval. Group data with class interval. That is equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. Ui is xi minus a upon h. Right? Now let's start the question. Now to start the question, this is the class interval, this is the number of students. Right? Now in this case, midpoint of class interval xi. xi क्या होता है? Midpoint of class interval. That comes out to 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. These are number of students are given to 120. X bar is given to 59 and number of students, that is summation of I equal to 120. So this comes out to be, now we have to consider assume in such a way that it should be in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can consider 45, we can consider 55. Say assume mean is 55. Say assume mean is 55. That is a equal to 55. Now we have to find ui. Ui equal to a xi minus a upon h. H in this case, length of class interval is 10. On simplification, 5 minus 10. 5 minus 55 minus, this comes out to be minus 5. Minus 5, here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, then minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now summation fi ui. Summation fi ui. This into this comes out to 5 minus 12 minus 21 minus 5 minus 21 minus 20 minus 15, then 0, then 9, then 54, then 54, then this comes out to 4y. Summation fi ui on simplification, this comes out to be summation fi ui. Summation fi ui. This comes out to be 4y plus 44 plus 4y. 44 plus 4y. This comes out to be. And summation fi comes out to be summation fi, that is n, comes out to be, this comes out to be on simplification 90 plus x plus y. 90 plus x plus y. Now according to question, 90 plus x plus y equal to 120. So x plus y comes out to be 30. This is question 1. And x bar equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. This is 59. Assume it is 55. Summation fi ui is 44 plus 4y divided by 120 into 10. On simplification, 4, 12. 4 equal to 44 plus 4y upon 12. This comes out to be 48 equal to 44 plus 4y. That is 4y equal to 4. 4y equal to 4, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 is the answer and x equal to 29. These are the answer. X equal to 29, y equal to 1. This is all about the mean, right? There are three methods. One is direct method, one is assume method, one is step deviation method. This is generally used in class interval case, right? Now question. Question is, if the mod of the following series is 54, then find the value of, we have to find the value of f. Mod, what is mod? The observation which occurs most frequently among the given observation, the value of observation having maximum frequency is called mod, right? This is for ungrouped data. For group data, we have to identify the interval which is having the maximum frequency, and we will apply this formula. This formula will be discussed along with the question, right? Now, mod is 54. 54 belongs to which quadrant? 54 comes out to be this case. 54 is this, right? Then come to the question. Model class will be, this is model class. Model class. Lower limit is L. L is the lower limit. (45), right? Then formula is mod equal to L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is the length of interval. F1 is the frequency of the model class. This is F1. This is F1. F0 is this one. F0 is F. F0 is F. And preceding, this is F2. This is F2. Next one is F2. And length of the class interval is 15. Length of the class interval, this is 15. Right? Now substituting the values. So 54, 54, 54, 54 equal to lower limit 45, plus f1 is 16 minus f upon twice into 16 minus f minus 12, f minus 12, f minus 12 into length interval is 15. On simplifying, this comes out to be 9 equal to 16 minus f upon 32 minus f minus 12 into 15. On simplification, this comes out to be 3 by 5 equal to 16 minus f upon 20 minus f. On cross multiplication, 80 minus 3f equal to 60 minus 5f. On simplification, this comes out to 2f equal to 20, f comes out to be 10. This is the answer. Value of f comes out to be 10. Missing frequency is 10. Its mod is this one, right? So what is in a group data class having maximum frequency is called the model class. Then mod of value inside the model class is given by this formula. Now you know that each and every clear. Lower limit f1 is the frequency of the model class, f0 is the preceding frequency of class, is succeeding. So P for preceding, S for succeeding, and M for model class. Right? Next question. Question is, find the basic frequency in the following frequency distribution table if n equal to 100, median is 32. This is the class interval, this is the number of students. These are the missing frequencies. We have to find this. According to question, total number of observations is 100 and median is 32. This is the type class interval. Group data with class interval. Now these are the basic definitions which you can go through it. This is case 1. Right? Now, this formula will be discussed along with the question. Now, in this case, you have to form the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be equal to, say this is F1, this is F2. 10, 10 plus F1, 35 plus F1, 65 plus F1, 65 plus F1 plus F2, and 75 plus F1 plus F2. Right? This is the cumulative frequency. Median, according to question, median is 32. 32 and 9 equal to 100. Median is 32 and summation Fi, that is n equal to 100. Therefore, 75 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 100. This gives F1 plus F2 equal to 25. This is one equation, right? And median equal to is given by the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf preceding class upon F into H. Now, 32, this is the model class. This is the middle class. This is the median class. So this is lower limit. And this is cumulative frequency preceding. And this is F. This is F. On simplification, lower limit is 30 plus 50 minus 35 minus F1 upon F into length of class interval is 10. Right? On simplification, this comes out to be 32. 2 F is 30. F is 30. Now on simplification, we get F1 equal to 9. On substituting this in this equation, we get F2 equal to 16. That is the answer. Be careful. One term is cumulative frequency preceding the model median class. This is the frequency of the median class. This is the lower limit of the median class. This is the length of the class interval. This is the formula for group data. Remaining you can go through very well, right? These are all regarding the medians. Next question. Question is, consider a group frequency distribution of marks obtained out of 100 of 58 students in a certain examination as follows. Marks are given to 0 to 10, 10 to 2, 90 to 100 with a class interval of 10. Number of students are given to you. We have to form the cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. Less than type. Now, concept applicable in solution. Cumulative frequency distribution of two types. One is less than type, one is more than type. In this case, we are going to discuss less than type. To form a cumulative frequency distribution of less than type, this is the given question. This is and this is given to. We have to form less than type. Less than type में क्या करेंगे हम? Less than type 10 में 5 है, 5 ही रहेगा. Less than 7 में 10 to 20 में less than 20 में कितना आ जाएगा? This plus this. 5 plus 7 equal to 12. फिर less than 30 में 12 plus 4 16. Then 16 plus 2 18. 18 plus 3 21. 21 plus 6 27. 27 plus 7 34. 34 plus 9 43. 43 plus 8 51. 51 plus 7 58. So this is the cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. Now in this case, if frequency is given to you, to form less than cumulative frequency distribution, these are to be added. This plus this plus this is to be added. If you have to go converse of this is given to you, you have to form this one. Then 5 तो ये 5 आ गया, फिर this minus this minus this minus this, then this is to be subtracted. What is for subtracted? Right? This is the concept to form less than. If frequency is given, to find the cumulative frequency distribution less than type. If less than type cumulative frequency distribution is given, we can form the frequency also. Right? Next question. Question is, consider a group frequency distribution of marks obtained out of 100 of 58 students in a certain examinations are as follows. These are the marks in a class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 90 to 100. These are the number of students, that is F. These are number of students. Total number of students are given to you 58. To form the cumulative frequency of more than type. Cumulative frequency of two types. One is less than type, another is more than type. In case of more than type, this will be the case. This is the question given to you. We have to form the cumulative frequency more than equal to. More than or equal to 0. That will be total number कितने हैं? Total number are 58. 58. Then 58 minus 5, 53. 53 minus 7, that is 46. 46 minus 4, 42. 42 minus 2, that is 40. 40 minus 3, that is 37. Then 37 minus 6, that is 31. 31 minus 7, that is 24. 24 minus 9, 24 minus 9, that is comes out to be 15. 15 minus 8, that comes out to be 7. This is the cumulative frequency for more than or equal to, right? If you go back in this side, you can check it very well, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.